this is Hemavati. I'm complete my graduation in Bachelor of Engineering with the Department of Computer Science in Milam Engineering College, and I secured 88%. After complete my graduation, I joined in CHROMPET, and then I will take a full stack software testing course, and then first I will take SQL classes, and then as parallelly I will take code Java also. After complete my SQL class, I will take manual testing. During that time I will got one interview, and I got one interview. I cracked that interview with the help of my trainer, and I got placed in MNC. And then a very special thank for my manual trainer is Chandrasekhar sir, and thank about my code Java is Maybadi sir, and it's my SQL sir is Sangat sir, and also thank about in my QSpider entire team, and also it's my HR Kokila Priya ma'am and Rubini ma'am also. Very special thank to all. Once again, thank you to all with all my supports and my guidance. Thank you.